everyone, it's Darlene, and today I'm going to do my Boxyluxe unboxing. I'm so excited. This is the June Boxyluxe, and it's for 2019. I have not opened this yet, so I'll be opening it and seeing what's inside with you. And when you first open it, as you can see, it has the card, and this month's theme is Getaway. How cute is that? I love the image that they chose. Very cute. Okay, so I got variation number 6B. I've never seen the letter. I don't know why they're doing that. And on the back, it'll have the list of all the products. I don't want to peek yet. And the pricing of everything. So the first thing that I see in the box is this Living Proof. And this is a dry volume boost, instant lasting volume and texture. So it's a volume... styling and finish spray. So it's a styling and finish spray that actually gives you volume, which I could actually use some volume right now. Ooh, yeah, I can see. Definitely give me some volume right there. It smells really good too. It kind of has, it kind of makes your hair feel like grimy. So that's why it would give you volume. But it smells really good. I'm super excited for this. And this retails for Living Proof $29. That's amazing. 29 bucks. And I should mention, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. Every 3 months they come out with a Boxyluxe. It's $49.99. The regular price for the every other month is $21 a month. So this month it was actually $49.99 because it was the Boxyluxe. So now that we got that clarified. Okay, next thing that's in the box, ooh, is this PYT, and I know what this is. It's the hair dryer. I wonder what color I got. I'm so excited. You're gonna see it before me. What is it? What is it? Okay, hold on. Yes, I got the purple one. I was really wanting the purple one. How cute is that? And it comes with a diffuser, and it should come also with, I use this to actually straighten my hair. I use these. I actually have a cheap blow dryer, but that is so cute and great for travel. I'm just gonna start putting this stuff back here because my son keeps grabbing it, which is why the camera's probably already changed angles 20 different times because he keeps knocking over my camera. Mommy of 4. Okay, so this retails for $85. $85, that's crazy. So I don't even know how much it's been. Way more than what the box is worth. That is so crazy that they put that in there. 85 bucks. I can't wait to try that out. Maybe I'll do a little demo in a second. Okay, so hey, he can play with this. Look, it's styrofoam. Okay. Next thing that's in the box is, what is this? Skin Co. Oh my goodness, it's the Truffle Therapy. I actually have a whole skincare line of the white truffle products. Maybe I can do a review using this too now that I have this. This is amazing. And this is a Radiant Dew, and it's Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Well, I need some refreshing. It's not, doesn't have a really good scent. It's not like, it doesn't smell bad, but it's just that, like, I like rose water scents and stuff. I think that would have been better, but it's not bad. So this retails for $35. That is so good. So I have the other skincare products that I have of this brand. It's really expensive. I actually had a friend that gave it to me because she had bought it, and then it caused her skin to break out. She had like a reaction to one of the chemicals in it, but my skin does fine with it, and I absolutely love it. So I'll do a review on all their products. If you want to see more of this, stay tuned because I will be doing a video because I've been using it, and I got a good idea of how I feel about it. Sorry, I had to open up a window. It's like so hot in here, and yeah, so okay, $35 for that. The next thing that I see in the box is this Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser, and it's by Dr. Brandt. Okay, so this is a face wash, and I do not want to open it because we just got that one from Glam Glow, and I don't like opening a whole bunch of products at one time. I want to finish using at least one. That way, because when you open it, they tend to go bad quicker. So I'm going to wait to use that. But this retails for $35. Amazing. I can't wait to use this though. Ugh. So I'm just going to put that up there. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this. So it's a DC Cosmetics. We'll just say that. And what is this? It's a lemonade lip gloss, and it retails for $17. And I actually don't have anything on my lips. Oh, that is so pretty. I love the color. It's like a pastel pink, I guess you would say. Like our coral pink. Try to put it on. It smells like cupcakes. I don't know why I thought it would smell like lemon. I guess because it's, what is it? Lemonade lip gloss. I figured that it would have like a lemon taste. I would have liked that. But it actually tastes like cupcakes. But it's really pretty. It's really natural. Kind of like your lips, but just a little better. But yeah, I really like that. For $17, I'll take it. Pretty good so far. I am so excited about this. I'm sorry. I'm just throwing everything on the bed behind me. Okay, next thing that's in the box is this Trestique. I don't even know how to say that, okay? Like this thing. I don't know if you know how to say it. How would you say that? Trestique? I don't know. I'm Portuguese and I don't know how to say it. What is this anyway? Trestique. Good. Oh, it's a mascara. Okay, so this retails for $25. I'm kind of scared to open it because I'm actually using that last one that we got, Better Than Sex mascara right now. Okay, so this actually has a flip down to curl. Sorry about that. My son started crying, so I gave him my lemonade lip gloss. Anyways, as I was saying, so this is so cool. It has, like, you flip this part down and it's an eyelash curler. Like, how cool is that? I have eyelashes on, so I'm not going to try to use it, but that is so cool. And then on this side is the mascara. Nice. I can't wait to use this. I've never seen that before. That is so cool. So even when you're done with this product, like the mascara, you can keep just the one part. You can use it to brush out your brows, like cleanse it, brush out your brows, and then use the other part is your mascara curl. Your eyelash curl, not your mascara curler. I'm just like throwing stuff around now. And did I say how much this retails for? I don't know, so I'm going to tell you again. Okay, so this retails for $25. I don't know if I said that. You guys know. I said it again if I didn't. Awesome. I'm excited about this. I don't want my son to get that one, so I'm going to throw it way back there. Okay, next thing that's in this box is, yes, Pharmacy. I love this brand. They have such good stuff. I love like the beehive print. My brother is actually a fashion designer, and his theme is bees. He loves bees. He's so amazing. So if you want to check him out, he has an Instagram page. It's Mitchell Carr. You got to check him out. His work is outstanding, and he makes some amazing things. I can't even open this. Like, what is wrong with me? It's because it's flipped back. Like, how did you close this? Okay, there it goes. Okay, so this is a Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So this is a nighttime serum. I have a lot of nighttime serums that are actually already open. I'm just going to smell it. I actually don't, it really doesn't have a smell, which is good, I guess. Considering that it's a nighttime serum, you don't really want to have a lot of fragrance when you're trying to sleep. But that is so nice. I'm excited to try this. And this retails for $58. That's kind of expensive, just a little bit. But it is, so it's 30 milliliters. That's not bad for 30 milliliters. I mean, that's a lot of product. So $58 is what that retails for. And I can't wait to try it. I need to use some of my skincare stuff up because I am like getting so much stuff. I'm just gonna leave this right here. Okay, next thing that's in the box is this Tarte's Pro Gross 3 palette. I love Tarte, cruelty free. I don't know what shades I got. Ooh, those are pretty. Ooh, those are really pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. I like how it has mirrors on both sides. Let's do some swatches. I'm gonna do this pink shade. It's very light. That's why I like Tarte. Like, Tarte's a great makeup if you don't really like doing makeup or you're new to makeup. Like, most of their makeups are like really light and very wearable. So it gives you just kind of like, ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. I can't wait. Oh, I should have got some brushes. That's one thing. We haven't been getting a lot of brushes here lately. Okay, here's the other highlight. I don't know if you can see. They're just like really pretty, really glowy, but not too much. Okay, let's try this bronzy shade. That's really pretty. Really pretty. And let's try this. Ooh, like, this is more like a shimmer bronze. Like, that's a matte, and this is more of a shimmer. Those are gonna look really pretty, especially with my blonde hair. Ooh, it's gonna look so nice. So this retails for $45. I am so excited about this. I seriously love Tarte. Totally can't wait to put this to use. I'm gonna do some videos, like tutorials and stuff, using some of the stuff that we got this month. So this and the mascara was the only makeup items that we got this month. That's kind of crazy. They usually give us like an eyeshadow palette, which you can use these as eyeshadow palettes. But I think that we could have used some like brushes or like eyeshadow or something, you know? It's kind of strange. Okay, so the last thing that I see in this box, I'm pretty sure it's the last thing. Let me make sure. Yeah, so the last thing that's in the box is this No Pore Blim Prime Essence, Touch and Soul. So this is Touch and Soul. This retails for $23 and it's a face primer. Let's see. So, ooh, it was already like coming out. That's like really oily. I don't know if this is gonna work really well for a face primer. It's like an oil. I don't know how I would feel about an oil-based primer. I have combination skin, and I get really oily between here and then like right here. So I'm wondering if this would actually work good for oily skin. It doesn't really say much about it. Did it come in a box? It did come in a box, but my son took the box. Oh, no, he didn't. False accusation. Okay, it's all in Chinese, so I have no clue. Okay, at the bottom, it really doesn't have a lot of info on it. It just tells you how to apply it and what's in it. So yeah, I'll have to try this out because I don't know how this is gonna work for people with oily skin. And considering that my skin is combination, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and calculate this and find out the total value of this month's box. So the total value of this month's box was $335, which is insane because I paid $49.99 for that, so 50 bucks. That is such an amazing deal. That is like so good. I love BoxyCharm. I was kind of okay. So I kind of been seeing like people open the FabFitFun boxes, and I am like I've almost contemplated on buying those instead of BoxyCharm because they have so much more stuff in them. But I am very grateful for this. I think this is actually worth more than theirs because theirs is like worth over $200. This was $300. That's amazing. And they're all full size, so you cannot beat that. I love Boxycharm. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to them, I will put a link down below that will have it's a referral code. I do get charms. I don't get money if you sign up. But like I said, you can just get the regular Boxycharm box, and it's $21 a month. And this is the Boxyluxe. It's only every 3 months, so you only have to pay $49.99 every 3 months. So it's not like every month. So like the next 2 months, I'll only pay $21, and then so the next time I will pay for a Boxyluxe is in September. So that is awesome. So I'm going to put the link down below. If you do want to subscribe, you can go ahead and click on that link. Like I said, I will get charms, not money, or you don't have to use my link if you don't want to. But it is a great subscription box if you're like new to makeup or hair products. They have skin, hair, and makeup. What girl doesn't like all that stuff? Amazing things. I've never been disappointed. They are an amazing company, and I love them, and I thank them so much because my makeup collection has grown tremendously thanks to them. So stay tuned, and I will be actually doing videos using some of the products that we received in this month's box. I use a lot of the products that I use out of here. The only thing that I would say Boxycharm is lacking is foundation and like concealers and stuff, because that's things that every girl wears. Even if you don't wear a lot of makeup, that's usually things that every girl wears. And I understand why they haven't yet, because it is hard to match skin tones. Like even when I go to the store, like I don't know how many times I buy the foundation and it's the wrong color, and I'm pretty sure they don't want to hear people complain. But I really do hope that someday they can try to skin match, like do it to where you could take pictures and kind of try to skin match people, so that we could have that option, because that would make Boxycharm perfect. And I really hope they do that one day. Anyways, if you haven't already, please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want, you can hit the bell, and it'll notify every time I post a video, because I will, like I said, I will be uploading videos on how to use some of these products if you're new to makeup and you want to see how to put it on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. God bless.